artificial intelligence in a really good, productive way. So this presentation, this video is going to be like a 101 for business owners on AI chat box. And by the end of it, you're going to know exactly how to implement one in your business and the many brilliant ways that you can start using it. So here we go then about AI chatbots. We'll get straight down to it. What are they? So a chatbot basically is a computer program designed to simulate human conversation. So when somebody's actually chatting with the chatbot, it seems just as if they're chatting to a normal person. We're not going to be lying about that or anything, but it really does feel very, very natural when you're talking to an AI-powered chatbot. And artificial intelligence chatbots use AI obviously to power them. What is that? It's natural language processing that they use. So they understand human language and can therefore respond in perfect human language and also in multi-languages. So it doesn't necessarily mean that it's pure English. You can speak to an AI chatbot in something like 95 different languages, which is incredible, and they know how to respond in a natural conversational manner. As you'll see when I do a demo of a chatbot very, very soon. And then the application across industries is mind-blowing. The amount of places that you'll be able to use an AI chatbot in your business. It's not all just front-end stuff, but they're really, really useful for customer service. Any questions that people have on the website about your business, they're able to answer quickly and efficiently and right. And then they can also assist people with any problems they're having on your product or in order because they have access to the data to be able to respond in the right way. So they're really, really useful. What are they powered by? Well, we know they're powered by artificial intelligence, but you must have heard probably by now about ChatGPT and OpenAI. Well, we use like GPT-3 0.5 and 4 to power the answers that the chatbot gives. That's the system that is kind of taking in that initial chat from the user and then understanding it and then giving an intelligent answer based only on your company's information. And that's important. This isn't like ChatGPT and AI Power Chatbot, it's different chat. GBT is on everything. Everything. It's scoured the entire web, and up to the time of doing this video, it has information up to September 2021. Now, with an AI-powered chatbot, we are able to go and scour just your data, lock that data off so that it doesn't go outside of that data, and then use that intelligence from the AI to give a great answer. So that's why it's so powerful. And also, while we're interacting with customers, the conversations are all being recorded and stored in a database so that we can really learn more about what our customers are saying, what they want, and how we can help them better with our business. So what are the major benefits? I've given you a few, but 24/7 customer service. So chatbots will operate round the clock with multiple people at once. You don't need a massive team of support staff all there typing away at 3 o'clock a.m. The chatbot will be able to cope with multiple questions coming in from multiple people all around the world at once. So from a business point of view, there's potentially, depending on your business, a huge productivity and money-saving opportunity right there using artificial intelligence. Next up, the efficiency and cost savings. Well, as we've just said there, yeah, a chatbot can handle multiple inquiries simultaneously, which is very difficult for a human. Sometimes a human will be able to deal with maybe 3 or 4 separate conversations going on at once, but certainly not 10, 15. Otherwise, the time delay in between each response just becomes too much, and then you upset customers, which is not what you want to do. Whereas the AI chatbots are extremely fast and efficient and are able to give that quality of service as well. And consistency and accurate responses, which brings me nicely onto this because they can be programmed to give specific responses to certain questions that they might be receiving, then they're going to be the same every time. When you train a member of staff, you may get variable results. They may not remember certain things. Different people have different styles. We've all been on the telephone to a customer service person and known that we're in trouble because they've told us something totally different to the last person that you rang up and asked the same question to. So with chatbots and AI chatbots, they're programmed to give the same kind of response every time. So we get that nice consistency, and then also they can learn and improve over time as we just refine the things that they say. 0455. So next time someone asks that question that perhaps the chatbot didn't have the data to answer, we can further improve that, so that next time someone asks that question, it gives a brilliant response. So they're trainable as well. Improved customer engagement. The other good thing is that they can keep customers engaged by talking back. It isn't a one-way thing where a person will go to your website and ask a question through your AI chatbot, and then it just gives an answer, shuts up. You can also train it to ask further questions to help the customer and engage with them and get more out of them so that they can help. And that's what's so fantastic about this. It is an interactive service that we're using here. Artificial intelligence is extremely powerful, and this is just one of the reasons why. So let's actually go now and see an AI chatbot in action on my website right here, which is Autopilot. You can see we've got a big website there with lots of information that might be hard for someone to take in all of it in one go, and they might want to just get to the point and ask that one specific question they have in their mind, but they don't want to have to go through all of this content to try and find out. So we've got our AI chatbot down the bottom right here, and then they're able to just go in there and ask any question like, do you have a CRM, for example, in this case? And then it will come back. There you go. Yes, Autopilot does have a CRM, and it even breaks down what it is as well, a customer relationship management system. And then it explains more and more about it and follows it up with that question, which is where I was saying to you that the interactivity with the bot is what really makes this magic. Are you currently using Autopilot, or are you a new user? So it wants to know if we've signed up yet. So let's say, no, I haven't signed up yet, but I am thinking about it. So now let's see what it says there. You'll see that I've also put a spelling mistake in there. Not intentionally on my ad, but it still understands as well because the artificial intelligence understands the meaning of that chat and therefore can decipher the correct response. So here we go. Autopilot offers a lot of features that can help you grow your business. So now it's starting to sell the product for us. So not only is it providing support as such, it's also able to do selling as well. And then it's inviting us there to go ahead and actually try the software out. It says you can start your free trial here with no credit card required, and if you need any more assistance, feel free to ask. Also, we have the ability for the chatbot to get the person's name and address. So let's just put in there Jason, and then we'll just put in Jay, and then we'll just put in any phone number just there. And then we'll submit that has now gone into the AI chatbot's database so that you're able to have that lead, and then the person can just go ahead and carry on their conversation. And the chatbot has remembered everything that has been said before that little form came up. So this is so powerful and a very quick and easy way for you to be able to introduce this to your business in multiple places. If we go to this page here, you'll see as well that with Autopilot, we're able to direct people to a dedicated page and embed the bot into that page as well. So if I was to say, how much does Autopilot cost? It's able to answer, and it's just all nicely embedded in the page. Some people like it embedded into a specific page, sometimes even behind a password-protected system as well. If this is only for staff use, for example, this is like a private chatbot with your company data. For example, many people use chatbots to train a staff and do onboarding, and so you don't want the public to have access to that chatbot. So you were able to put it behind a password-protected system as well. And there you go. It's given us our answer in seconds, literally, and then told us exactly what to do. And again, we can have this form implemented here or not. We have the choice. It depends on what the chatbot is being used for.